created the final instrument. The violin had no predecessors. The violin emerged immediately, in one day, in solid hands. A great person at that time knew the secret of harmony, of geometrical harmony, of geometric construction. And this is the greatest mystery of all. The secret of constructing violins was lost in the late 18th century. Since the late 18th century, who has not tried to build a violin? It does not have the Italian sound, and no one could repeat it. And what is the Italian sound? This is not because they want to see what was the Italian sound, but because it is the closest sound to the human voice. Victor Petrick made a violin worthy of a Stradivarius, having proved that the artist accurately followed the divine proportion. The drawings resemble the paintings of Leonardo. None of us thought to make a parallel to the genius of the Renaissance. Violin, it's a certain harmony. We are compelled to further associate with that what we know about the harmony of the world and how it is expressed. It is expressed by the notorious concept of the golden section, which Leonardo da Vinci called the divine proportion. It was everywhere in the works of Leonardo da Vinci. How our heart beats is the same as how our brain works. Alpha, gamma rhythm of human brain invariants are equal to 0.618, as is the ovary in an apple, 0.618, as is in the egg yolk, 0.618, as in the movement of planets. We cannot explain it. That's why it is not the research category, golden section. The number pi is scientific, and 0.618 is not scientific. We have no idea what it is. And that's when I thought that we should search here. But it took a few years. The first movement, when I got the width of the upper oval, take the length, multiply 11 times 0.618. You get the lower half of the length. They set a point. The bottom half of this is multiplied by 0.618 and by 2. And you always get the width of the upper oval. Take any violin. It is a finished drawing of a perfect violin. It is for this drawing that it was built. And then it was certainly not just a flash of inspiration. It was then the same glow of happiness which is gotten, that gratitude that we receive. Seekers, the moment of contact with the truth. It gives the feeling of the highest happiness.
Он дает вот это ощущение наивысшего счастья.
I know each of its sounds. I know each of the states of this violin, and I love them. The whole world, all that exists, is a universe. This concept refers primarily to the universal laws that govern the world, from the sounds of violins to chemical reactions.